Hiring.
Nakakasuka.
Long.
Crazy.
Matindi.
Simula na naman. Magandang umaga, kaibigan.
One day at a time.
Huminga ng malalim, alisin ang kaba. Tapos na ang kahapon.
Every time I wake up, like, isip ko kung papasok ba ako or hindi.
Katulong sa panibago.
It's not just duty, it's not just going to class, it's knowing that you have to push yourself the whole day, not just physically but also mentally as well.
Lord, totoo ba to? Sana pa naginip lang. Just pray na hopefully everything goes right throughout the day.
Parang it's a different story na right now na we're preparing for the ball. You do it para dun sa mga nakita mo at nakita mo na ka-foresee mo magiging pasyente in the future.
Ayaw mo siyang gawin pero you have to do it.
AMDG, for the greater glory of God.
You don't want to disappoint the people around you. You don't want to disappoint your family, your friends, your teachers. Also, syempre you want to be an inspiration to the lower batches to make sure that they also want to pass when the time comes na they take the boards.
You work for it for 5 years and then, syempre, sayang naman if you don't do it like for your parents or if ikaw pa yung reason kung bakit hindi mag-100% in school.
And I guess yung motivation ko right now is number one, yung my family. Most especially my dad who died when I was in 3rd year. Kasi alam ko ito yung gusto rin niya sa akin. Gusto ko rin apparently. And doing my best for this would make him proud of me. My family, my friends, all the people who trust me. I don't want to fail them. Matagal ka nang naghanda para dito. More than 100 days na walang patid na aral.
Oh Lord, ikaw na bahala. Kasi I've done all I can, I've done all my best.
Just fight and go for it.
Almost there.
Relax.
Just have to not doubt ourselves.
Culmination to ng 5 years natin together.
Good luck and God bless.
Kaya natin to. 5 years na daanan natin. Isang exam lang to. So, fight na ma-fight.
#NoAthenian Left Behind.